Hey guys, it's Parametric Online. Welcome back to the channel with a New Year's edition. For this video, I prepared a parametric New Year's tree or Christmas tree for you. So we're going to look at how it's made and then do some nice colored animation for this exercise. So this one, I actually looked up a bunch of formulas for the spirals, and the one I used is an Archimedean spiral formula, which uses these sine and cosine functions to calculate these spiraling points. If you look at it from the top, you can see that there's some sort of a phylotactic radial development. And then I attached a parameter here that relocates these points in the z direction, so you can give it some height. So when they're flattened, you can see that they're formed on a plane, and then we can actually create some height with these points. Then the next thing I did was to create the same array vertically and then connect these two lines, these 2 points using lines, so that we can actually loft them and get this sort of almost like a minimal surface, this spiraling surface motion. So I'm going to turn the preview off. So what I did was I attached a color swatch here and gave the tree a green color for this form. And with the points that I had, which I got from the Archimedean spiral formula, I also placed spheres to these, so we can place a lot of spheres to them. And these spheres, I'm actually giving them some color using the gradient mapper, and the gradient mapper has a bunch of colors here. This was one of the settings that I used, and I attached them as the emissive color. And then once you turn the preview on, you can see that they're actually kind of showing nice colors as well. So what I'm going to do is animate these colors, and let's see what the final effect is going to be like. And let's see. So to animate them, I wrote a short Python snippet, which is basically connected to a timer. So when we run the timer, it outputs a random value between 0 and 100, and we can use this to articulate the jitter function here, so that jitter function actually controls how the colors are mapped to the spheres, to the bulbs. So if we connect this, you can see now it's actually kind of animating the colors as well. So there it is. This was the let's say the first tutorial of the new year. I know most of you have been following this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I upload videos every week to this channel, and I'm also starting webinar series next month if you're interested to learn more about Grasshopper tools and Rhino tools. So I'll see you guys in another video, and I also want to wish you a happy new year. Take care.